Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As you can see my previous videos, in our Char Dham Yatra, first day we spent in Haridwar, second day in Yamunotri, and today is the third day, and we headed off towards Gangotri now. After checking to the hotel and breakfast, we went for the sightseeing. Now we are on the way to Gangotri temple. It is situated at the height of 10,000 feet. This temple is dedicated to the goddess Ganga. We reached that temple. Let me tell you the brief history of Gangaji. According to Indian methodology, the king Sagar had 60,000 sons. He defeated all the demons in the earth and wanted to stage a Ashwamedha Yagna to declare his supremacy. For this, he sent his horse across the earth accompanied by his sons. The king of heaven, Lord Indra, feared the power of King Sagar and wanted to stop him. He stole the horse and tied it to the ashram of sage Kapil. When the 60,000 sons saw the horse in Kapil's ashram, they got furious and started to attack the hermitage. Sage Kapil was in deep meditation, and on hearing the disturbance, he opened his eyes in anger, and all the 60,000 sons of King Sagar were reduced to ashes, except for Prince Asamanjas. Anshuman, the grandson of King Sagar, bought the horse back from Sage and asked for his forgiveness. Sage Kapil told him that the sons can be brought to life only if Ganga is brought from heaven to earth. So Bhagirath meditated for several years, and finally goddess Ganga got pleased and come down to earth and manifested herself in form of river. The water of Ganga touched the ashes of Sagar's son, who rose to their external rest in heaven. Such a wonderful history of goddess Ganga. We also done main evening Ganga Aarti there. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like, leave a comment below and subscribe my channel. Feel free to share this video too.